just an update with my whistling birds. I was going to have it go to my hand to activate the mechanism, but I decided it would be easier to come up the shoulder onto this so you can stand pretty normal and they don't come on. But when you straighten your hand or straighten your arm, the whistling birds come out and they illuminate or light up, yes. So you see a close up of that one. So I straighten my arm and they come out and go on. Yeah. And so this will be underneath the flight suit and it will go down the arm and come out a little slot in the sleeve. Yeah. And I made this grey so it would blend in with, in case you see it coming out of the little slot. But yeah, it works pretty good. So, and it's quite not very noticeable. I might have put a band on here, a strap, just to keep it in place. But yeah, but it works pretty good. Yeah. One more. Okay, so I had to change it again. I've decided to attach it to the flight suit, the strap. So rather than having that individual strap going across me, I thought it would be easier to just connect it underneath this outer sleeve. And yeah, so it feeds in. And it's on Velcro so I can adjust, but obviously you need someone to help you do that because it's not much movement. But you can see it sort of goes on with extending the arm and release it. So yep, again I have to adjust the tension of the little rope bit that goes down the arm so that you can, because you see it doesn't come on there. And that just is a matter of putting more tension on or making the little ropes sort of shorter a little bit without having to walk around like that. But yeah, that sort of works. So yeah, comes on, off, on, off. So yeah, I just thought I'd put everything on to see if it would get in the way of anything, but yeah, that sort of works really good.